Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa. In one of my previous videos, I had made a dish with Ridge Gourd and fish. If you haven't seen the video, please find the link above or below or in the description box, wherever, and please check out the video. And in that video, I mentioned not to throw away the peels of the Ridge Gourd because they make an amazing chutney. I had recently visited a Bodo friend's house, and with their meals they served this chutney, and I was wondering with what it was made, and I came to find out that it was made with Ridge Gourd peel, and it was absolutely delicious. And today I am here to show you how to make this chutney. To make this dish, the ingredients that you will be requiring are peels of a Ridge Gourd, a teaspoon of turmeric, 3 to 4 pods of garlic, chili. I'm using about 4 to 5. You can make use of chili as per your tolerance level. Mustard oil about a tablespoon, and salt to taste. Now let's get cooking. All we need to do is add a little bit of mustard oil to the pan and stir fry all of the ingredients for about 10 minutes and let it out to cool, and then we pound it. Looks like our peels are ready. They are searing at the edges. Let's take it off the flame and allow it to cool for some time. Once the peel has cooled down, all you need to do is pound them using a mortar and pestle or a mixer to a coarse paste. It looks ready and it looks so delicious. Now all that's missing is a little bit of raw mustard oil. Let's add it.
It's okay.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast and more interesting things from the Northeast. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and spread the love, and I'll see you next time.